mail time. Today we have a letter from Charlotte. Charlotte says, I think Miss Obvious should have something more to... Okay, that's enough fan mail for today. Now let's begin. Hi there, I'm Miss Oblivious, and this is my assistant, Miss Obvious. Today we will be demonstrating how to make a sandwich. A sandwich, a delicious snack to make anytime and anywhere. It's so simple even she could do it.
At least one of us can.
The things you will need will be 2 slices of your preferred bread, meat, which is optional, your choice of spread, cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes. Now let's get started. Step 1, gather your ingredients. Step 2, lay your ingredients out like so. Step 3, you'll want to focus on these 2 slices of bread. Step 4, spread your spread on the bread.
Get ready.
Spread your spread on the bread, on the bread, on the bread. Spread your spread on the bread.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, you're so cheesy.
Step 5, place your meat on the bread. Step 6, place the rest of your ingredients on the bread. Step 7, sandwich the sandwich.
This looks delicious. Hey, you can take you know what? You can have it. In fact, you can even take a bite.
That's actually a good idea, for once. What? Is this so spicy? Has anyone seen my water? After watching my tutorial, you can now successfully make a sandwich.
And spice it up a bit. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't talk at all. Let's just wrap this up already.